What's going on, guys? Today we have the Sony PSP battery charger. This is for the 1000 model, 2000 model, or 3000 model. This is an external battery charger which you can use to charge your Sony PSP battery. And the cool thing about this is that if your charging port is not working on your PSP, like my PSP, you can pick up this item for pretty cheap now. I got this for about $8 brand new, and it's like the official Sony one. And I got this off of Amazon. But the cool thing about this is if your PSP battery charging port is not working, you can just pick this up and charge your batteries externally. Even if your PSP charger port is not broken, this is a really great idea because you can buy some extra batteries, and while you're playing your PSP, you can have another set of batteries charging. So that's the really cool aspect about it. Now, it's not a wall plug charger. I believe there's another cable inside. We'll open this up to check it out, but I believe you have to plug a wire into the wall and then plug it into this and then your battery. But let's open it up and see what's inside. Alrighty, so yeah, so what do you guys think about the PSP? I had one like since maybe 2005, I want to say. Maybe even earlier, actually, now that I think about it. But yeah, I've always had a PSP like since the launch, and I actually stopped using it, and it's been locked away. And then recently I just decided, hey, you know what, let me start playing the system again. And it's actually really, really awesome. I forgot how great the PSP was and how much I liked it. So in 2020, I'm still playing my PSP. And there we got it. We got a little instruction manual right there. Little back case cover, and exactly, you can see there's a cord. That's the thing that I do not like about this, is you do have this long cord. I wish they would have just had the power built in to there, like the plug we could just like flip out, but I guess they weren't really doing that at the time when the PSP came out, or it wasn't so common. So here is, oh, it's pretty in there, pretty tight. Oh, there we go. All right. So you got the PSP battery charger right here, as you can see. And there's where you plug in this little adapter. It's this freaking long cord. This cord's way too long. So anyway, plug this guy in. Just take a look at it. Okay. Alright, take this guy right here. Plug it up. Bam! And now we should be able to plug this guy in, and we are going to have some nice charging. So you can get your batteries charged whether your PSP port is not working, or if you have an extra set of batteries, you can have this charging while you're playing your PSP on the go. So you never have to stop your gameplay. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Why do you love your PSP?